Hi! Welcome to Gender Adventures.
That
was kind of adorable. So, we're talking in unison apparently. But welcome to Gender Adventures. Today we're talking about how we administer our hormones.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the difference and contrast between testosterone and
Estrogen.
yes.
So, how have you been feeling since we started hormones? What's kind of like the biggest change that you've noticed so far?
My suave voice.
I have a little bit of facial hair. Just a little bit.
It's growing in real nice. I mean, it's still blonde, but yeah, it's growing in real nice.
It's invisible, but it's there.
Mm-hmm. Oh boy. Let's see. Oh god, biggest change for me. Biggest change for me, yeah. They're tiny. They're very tiny, but I'm starting to see myself differently. Not just I look different, but I'm starting to I'm getting closer to that point where I look in the mirror and see that person that I want to see, rather than someone I'm constantly trying to be.
Yeah.
You know, I still get facial hair that I want to get rid of. I still get chest hair that I want to get rid of. But the hair's, yeah, I mean, you can have it, but like the hair's been growing in nice. Your hair's looking fabulous, by the way. And look at this fabulous freaking tattoo. Jeez.
We still have more work to be done. And
No,
it's healing.
but that's okay. Like,
And the
oh my goodness.
guns.
Oh, I guess I should probably show mine now, shouldn't I? Because it's been a while since people have seen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, we've got an ink. Have a chat.
So yeah, we've got yeah, a dragon made out of the Star Wars theme. So yeah, and then a little poly symbol made of music, made of clefs. So yeah, we just wanted to show everyone kind of what we've been, how we've been doing all this over the past few months as we've been giving ourselves hormones and slowly changing. So we hope you enjoy.
I'm going to be talking with you about testosterone today and how that it's injected. We have a few different types of testosterone to talk about. We're going to talk about the ones that we're not using today first, and then we'll go to the ones that we are. So first one is the one that you're most likely to get prescribed is testosterone siphonate. And this is pretty simple, but it has a carrier oil in it that sometimes people have a reaction to that's just some redness and itching. Unfortunately, I do have that reaction, so we won't be using that today. Then the next one is testosterone ethynate, which there are a few different types. There's the auto-injector, which this is great for people who have a fear of needles, and if you do, thanks for sticking this part out. This is also really super convenient. However, it's $500 for one of these. A month supply, $2,000. So if your insurance is good enough to cover it, awesome. If not, you're also going to probably be on what we're going to be doing today. This is pretty simple. You take off the cap, the needle's in there, and I've already used this one before. Normally this part is clear. It's orange because it's already been used. And you just put that in and administer it. This part comes back. Of course, clean the site beforehand, wash hands, sanitation. And what I have already done is I've already wiped down my surface with rubbing alcohol and I've already washed my hands. But then I'm going to be showing you the actual injection of testosterone. So we're first going to prep our area. I'm going to get this Band-Aid going. I like to leave them in the packaging because that keeps it in a sterile field. I try to escape it. There we go. Then we're going to clean our site. So just some rubbing alcohol. We are injecting it into an area with fatty tissue, which I still got some of that left. We're going to clean much more of the area than we actually need. We're going to go right there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our syringe. We're going to grab this larger bevel needle. Peel it back. Put it on. We're going to pull off the cap, exposing the needle. I'm going to be going to 5. And I'm going to go a little bit past that, just because it helps bring it in a little bit more. Bring this upside down. And we're going to push that air into the vacuum vial. We're going to bring this down. I'm going to bring this down here. We're just going to watch it fill. I go a little bit past 5 because it helps it fill a little bit faster. So it's getting close. It's closer. I'm going to bring the level back to where I actually want it to be. Alright, so now we have testosterone in the needle. What I like to do is I like to recap that so I don't have an exposed needle around. Put that back down. We're going to switch to our safety needle. Peel this back. Put it on, take off the cap. Now if you notice, this is smaller than this one was. So to me, it hurts way less than the auto injector. It's all a personal preference. Now I'm going to take this and put it into that site that we cleared off before. I'm just going to bring it in slowly. As weird as it sounds, the slower you go, the less it hurts. And then we're just going to push. This also takes a little bit of time. You don't want to go too fast. Your body still has to absorb it. Make room for the foreign substance you're putting in. Now, before we bring this out, safety needle down. That covers the tip. Take it off. That goes in our sharps container. This goes in our sharps container. This goes in our sharps container. There we go. And it's as simple as that.
And all I need is this, which I put right here. Hey!
Thanks for joining us. So, that's the difference between testosterone and estrogen. Such a stark difference.
Yeah. Now I do want to clarify. The patches that I'm on are a choice. There's also you can do the shot, especially if you have an allergic reaction to adhesives or things like that. There's also the pill. If you have a problem with needles and you also have a problem with the patch. So it's possible that I could have gone through that stuff, but I had the choice not to. Unfortunately, I don't think testosterone has that choice.
Nope, not really.
We hope you learned something today, and if you have any more questions, please by all means comment below. Let us know.
Like and subscribe and share. Please share this with people, because you never know who's going to need it, and it's actually not that scary of a process whatsoever. So yeah, it's simpler than some people think.
Yeah.
Okay.
So until next time, thank you very much, and bye.
Bye.